Hey guys, if you've been watching my YouTube video lately, you might have realized that I'm focusing a lot on microphones, and this is yet another video. I'll be talking about the BOYA microphone. It's a lavalier microphone, and this small piece has created a lot of buzz on YouTube. A lot of YouTubers have already started using this product, and this is one of the highest selling products on Amazon. So guess what I did? I paid about $20 on Amazon and bought this. I've been using this for past 2-3 days now, and I'm not able to resist myself to share my experience with this particular mic. BOYA microphone is an omnidirectional microphone, which means it will capture sound from all the directions that are coming in. Well, that might not impress you because you will generally prefer a microphone to be a unidirectional, but when you're in a quiet environment, this will not really impact you. It also comes with this wind cap. You can plug this down if you're in an outdoor environment, and it will do a decent job in cutting the unwanted sound from the wind. Comes with a metal clip. It's pretty hard, but helps you to plug on to your shirt or a t-shirt. The wire quality of this microphone is not up to mark. I was expecting it to be a little thicker than this, but I don't really think it will last long. But for the amount of money that I pay, I think I don't really have to worry about it. The second important component of this microphone is the amplifier. The distance between the microphone and the amplifier is roughly about 1.5 meter cable, and that's how it is attached. And it is powered with the LR44 battery. This battery is designed to last for approximately 12 to 14 months, which is very impressive. It also comes with a small clip, maybe if you want to hook on to your clothes so that it doesn't appear while you're shooting yourself. Comes with a small switch here. So if you plug this microphone with your mobile phones, maybe Android or Apple, then that is when you have to toggle it down. And if you want to use this microphone with laptops or DSLR cameras, that is when you have to toggle it up. Talking about the TRRS gold-plated pin, this is compatible with any device nowadays, and it also comes with a 1/4-inch adapter which you can use it to plug it on with amplifier or a hi-fi music system. Overall, this is what is there in the package, and if this video has helped you to make any conclusion, then do consider subscribing to my channel. Till then, have a great time.